Silver, Game of Thrones. What up, guys? New coins today. So if you guys like, please subscribe, put your comments. Yeah, I'm really interested, do I need this channel or not? And what do you think? What is your vision? I show my vision, but maybe you have other opinion. So today the show will be for Pegasus. I have some of them, so I show you what I have and what are new. So from what I understand, there are two kind of Pegasus, and the story started like in 2017, and I have first one. This is what I have, and this was British Virgin Island Silver Pegasus reverse proof. This was the first one. By the way, if you see it kind of silver, this is reverse. If you see it kind of frozen, you see like this, it's frozen. It's matte, frozen. So this is a frozen, and this is reverse. Okay. So this was in 2017. I believe it was the first coin. They started $1. You see Queen Elizabeth on a backside. And then they started with this Pegasus. This is another one. This is a reverse. You see, it's 2018. And design is the same. It really is the same design. I don't know why I collect them. Just, really, last days I'm having hard time to find something which I like to collect. Really. Give your comments. What do you think? I'm having hard time because all these premiums are going up and up. And I saw coins with mintage 100,000, which I'm not interested in, for like $40. Sorry, it's not my case. I better get some, ugly, American Eagle or a Canadian silver leaf, than so expensive, premium you pay upfront. I'm having a hard time. This is why I pick up, this Pegasus, because the mintage is limited. Okay, so let's see what I have. Sorry, I need to pick up my knife. So this is the first coin. Yeah, and I don't think you will be surprised to see something new. So this is 2 ounce, this is 2 ounce, and this is a frozen. Yeah, this coin design is okay. I'm not super pooper excited of this. It's just really, there is nothing to collect. And if you look into this mintage, it is 5,000 coins only. This is one of the reasons why I collected it. And I start to see that I'm going to bigger coins and bigger coins. And I stop looking into 1 ounce. I'm looking into 2 ounces and 5 ounces, coins, rounds. Sometimes I say coins round, excuse me. I don't think there is a big difference, I understand what coins for rounds, but just I call coins rounds coins for. I don't think there is a big difference. So mintage is 5,000 coins. So they, it's a Pegasus from Pop Joy Mint, and it is, this is here Majesty Queen Elizabeth from backside, and it's Pegasus, the musical horse rearing up with his wings spread, and it has a privy mark. I don't know if you can see it here on bottom side. You can see small P. I think on a bigger coins I can show you. A sovereign coin backed by British Virgin Island government. Okay, this was 2 ounce. Now this is a 5 ounce coin. I start to like these huge coins. You see this mark P? You see here down, you see P mark, privy mark. And I all like this privy mark. So this is frozen. You see, it's not like shiny like a silver. It's frozen. Yeah, beautiful. As bigger coin, as better see that these coins are beautiful. Yeah, 5 ounce coins is the way to go. 10 ounce, even better. 100 ounce, even more better. One of my friends, he bought 1 kilo coin, and this is like awesome coin. Yeah, and silver is the way to go. We all know this. Silver is going hot. Silver is going up, and you know, as I said, we will see good times for silver. Whoever, you know, have a bags, it is good. It is good. Very good for us. The good time is coming for silver collectors. And the last one is one of my creatures. This is the werewolf. The werewolf. This is the werewolf. One time I show you all these coins, you know. I have a lot of them, maybe 10, 15. And this is one of them. So they didn't say what is mintage, but I like it's not so expensive. It's like maximum I pay 20 bucks for an ounce. And it is highly detailed image of werewolf under the light of full moon, gazing hungrily down upon an Eastern Europe village. And it is a intaglio mint, the same mint. And you can grab it from Upmex, and it's 2 ounce. So I don't have any 1 ounce today. You see, all 2 ounce coins. And at this price, 40 bucks, you know, when we see silver for $50, $100, it will be hot deals, hot deals. Yeah, that's it, guys, for today. And I just want to say a couple of words about silver. As I said before, we are having a hard time to find a good deals, and I more and more start to look on some big coins like 5 ounce, which are still available, because you know most of people they are looking for small sizes. But if you compare gold to silver ratio, and you know the prices for this coin, you know you can buy 80 coins, and I don't know, what do you think? I think that's going to change, and the ratio will go down. It was already 93, now it's like 80, 85, something like this. And we will be having good time. You can exchange your silver on dollar when silver will be 40, 50, and it will be. We all know it will be. It is coming. So collect silver. Silver is a very attractive precious metal, and many will be looking on this, but you will not get it. You will not get it. Get it today when you can. Very beautiful coins. Very beautiful. But expensive. It's getting expensive. I remember the days when I can get this, not exactly this coin, but 5 ounce coin for like 80 bucks, 90 bucks. Today I pay like $130, and it's still a good deal, right? Because it's like $30 for an ounce, where the mintage for 5 ounce is 1,000 coins only. So these coins are only 1,000 coins. Yeah, so it's a good deal. I believe it's a good deal. As less mintage you have, as probably more value it has. That's what I think. Like a Bitcoin, right? 21 million. That's why it's going crazy, right? And it's only 100. So yeah, I'm more and more looking into bigger coins, because really small coins to pay 40 bucks for 100,000 mintage. Yeah, I better, you know, grabs 5 ounce for 1,000, not 100, 1,000 mintage only. Yeah. Okay, guys. Silver, Game of Thrones. Put your comments. You know, what do you think? You know, what is your you know, strategy, and how you will you know, are you thinking to sell? Are you thinking to buy more? I am only buying. I don't sell anything. I am not selling anything before like 50 bucks or 100 bucks, somewhere in this area. But even then I will keep collecting. Okay, Silver Game of Thrones. Bye bye.